Hello children, in this video I have solved all the word problem of exercise 3.3 which is given in question number 3. So this is your bit 1. What is given? The question is like this. There are two number and the difference is given as 26 and also it is given one of the number is 3 times the other. So let the number be x and y. So the difference of the numbers is 26. That means x minus y is 26. And again here since x is greater. Why? Because x minus y is a positive number. So x is greater. So here we have to write x equal to 3y. Why? Because it is given one of the number is 3 times the other. So since x is greater, so x equal to 3 into the smaller number y. But here we cannot write y equal to 3x. X equal to 3y we have to take. So this is your first bit of question number 3. Come for the second bit of second bit. So in the second bit what is given? It is given that there are two supplementary angles whose measurement is unknown. But it is given that the difference of those two angles is 18 degree. So what are unknown here? The two angles are unknown. So let us take the angles as x degree and y degree. So since they are supplementary to each other, so obviously x plus y is 180. And again the difference of the angles is given as 18. So x minus y is 18. So that is your second equation. Now, so bit 2 is over. Then come for bit 4 because bit 3 you all do, that is that type of question already I have discussed. So I am going for bit 4. In bit 4 what is given? The question given like this. It is given like this. The taxi charges in a city is given like this. For the first kilometer the charge is fixed. And then in addition to that another charge is there which is charged per kilometer. So two type of charges, one is fixed charge, the other one is charge per kilometer. So let the fixed charge be x and the charge per kilometer be y. So whenever 10 kilometers is covered, someone has to pay x rupees which is fixed plus per kilometer y rupees. So for 10 kilometer 10 y rupees is the charge. So x plus 10 y equal to 105. Similarly, whenever someone travels 15 kilometer, x rupees the fixed charge he has to give. In addition to that, per kilometer the fare is y rupees. So for 15 kilometer that is 15 y rupees. So x plus 15 y equal to 155. That is your second equation. Then is come for bit that is 5. In bit 5 what is given? There is a fraction whose numerator and denominator, that fraction only unknown. So that means what? The numerator is unknown and the denominator is unknown. So let us take the fraction as x by y. Again it is given if 2 is added, if 2 added to numerator as well as denominator, the fraction becomes 9 by 11. So this is one of the equation. And again also given if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. So this is your second equation. But it is not in standard form. Multiply, do the cross multiplication, bring it to the standard form, then you simplify both the equation. Then in the last bit, the question is given like this. What is given? There are two persons whose age is unknown. One is Jacob himself and the other one his son. So since their age we do not know, so let us take Jacob's age as x year and his son's age as y years. After that what is given? 5 year hence. 5 year hence means after 5 years. So obviously, if this is the present age of Jacob and his son, after 5 years, Jacob's age will be x plus 5 and his son's age will be y plus 5. But it is also given after 5 years, Jacob's age is 3 times his son's age. So after 5 years, this is the age of son and this is the age of his, this is the age of Jacob and this is the age of his son. So obviously, x plus y is equal to 3 into y plus 5, that is one of the equation. Again, in the second part of the question, what is given? 5 years ago, before 5 years, Jacob's age must be x minus 5 and his son's age must be y minus 5. 5 years ago, x and y are their present age, and also it is given 5 years ago, Jacob's age is 7 times his son's age. So we found 5 years ago Jacob's age is x minus 5, son's age is y minus 5. But according to the question, Jacob's age is equal to 7 into his son's age. Now you simplify, put it in standard form. This is the second equation and this is your first equation. So now I hope you all can solve all the question because I framed all the linear equation. So this much in this video.